Hi everybody, it's Marcy. I've just got a quick update on my Just Junk journal. Yesterday I showed you some of the junk I had collected to make my journal, and I was having a really difficult time getting anything done, and this is the first stitched journal that I will have made. So I went out to the garage and we had all of this packing paper. I think it came in an Amazon box and it was just sitting out in the garage. So I ended up using a bunch of that. Of course, I have a bunch to be used. I took it because it was all twisted and wadded up. I cut it sort of randomly, and then I put it on the ironing board to flatten it out some. I really like some of the texture. It's thinner. It's brown, craft brown, but it's thinner. It's more like a kid's lunch sack. Not even like a grocery store paper bag, but more like, I'd say more, maybe even a little thinner than a kid's lunch sack. But it seemed to work pretty well. So I was finally able to get pages for my journal and get it stitched in. So I'm doing a traveler's size journal at 4.5 by, or I'm sorry, 4.25 by 8.25. And you can see I used my magazine for my cover and another magazine page. Actually, this was the magazine cover. That was a page in the magazine for the inside. And then I cut these pages. At first, I was trying to use the magazine pages and various other junk mail to make my pages. But I think I tend to work better starting with each page as a blank page, and I was having a hard time seeing each page as a blank page. Obviously, because some of it had graphics on it that I want to use, and I will be using those pages, but I did have to go back and do it this way just so that I could actually get in and start making the journal. So anyway, that's all. And I used my jute twine with the pamphlet stitch, and that's all I've got for now. I'll show you more later. Bye-bye.